Me and T-Sizzle gonna do Bob's Hill today. Maybe Cat Rock too, I don't know. Up here at the north overlook on Bob's Hill. Southern lookout from Bob's Hill. Second part of our Labor Day hike, we're gonna do Cat Rock. We did Bob's Hill earlier, both outlooks. So, well, I've done this before. Not a bad hike. Somewhat of a nice overlook up top. It's only gonna take us a little bit over a mile to get there. Here's the big slimy salamander.
No way.
Did you get any pictures? We made it to Cat Rock. Now we're about to climb a small rock scramble to the top. Yeah. There's American chestnut. Not doing good. Definitely has a blight. Most of it's dead.